Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Today we're in the Mafia kitchen and today we are gonna make Panang mo and what else? That's it? Jandiao. Today only one dish to make things less confusing, right? Anyway, let's see what's in the ingredients in Panang mo. Hello, good morning. Oh, hi. Hello. Good morning. Okay, here's our ingredients. It's pretty simple. Right now we just have chopped pork, mo. And this is click gang, which is our red curry paste. And this is actually it's an eggplant, but they call it like a small pea eggplant. And this is a long bean here. And in Thai language, it's called tua fak yao in Thai language. And here, of course, we have kaffir lime leaf. เรียกว่าภาษา
ใบมะกรูด
And this is, of
พริก
course,
แดง
your red Thai chili pepper, พริกแดง
70 บาท
พริกแดง 10 baht worth of, oh, 70 baht.
ไม่ใช่
Oh, never mind. She has a customer over here. Panang Ping Tang.
นี่โอระพา
And this is อะไร
โอระพา
Olapa.
โอระพา
I don't know what that is in English. What is this in
นี่
English?
เป็นอย่างโอระพา
Olapa. Holy basil.
Is it holy basil? Holy basil. Okay. Holy
แค่นั้น
basil.
แหละ
And that's it, พอแล้ว
พอแล้ว
And of course we have coconut milk right here that I just went and bought at the store. Gati. I gotta go buy some coconut milk. Gati. For our No Time to Be Hungry channel. Today we are making Panang mo, which is an awesome curry stir fry dish. Nong Thai, how are you? Today I need coconut milk. Coconut milk.
กะทิ
Gati.
โคโคนัทมะพร้าว
มะพร้าวกองใหญ่ครับ
กองใหญ่โคโคนัท
Gati coconut milk. เข้าใจเก่ง
บานาน่ากล้วย
Okay. Got
กะทิกะทินี่กะทินี่
It's so difficult sometimes to remember. Gati.
กะ
Gati.
ทิทอทหาร
อ๋อ
ทหารสระอี
Gati.
ทิ
Ti.
เออ
Gati. Gati.
กะทิ
Gati. Like tit. Okay. Oh, that's from my garden basil.
แสดงว่า
Okay.
โทริเบสเดือด
Holy basil. I should have known that came from my garden. Let's fire up the stove top.
แต่ก็มีใกล้ๆนี่เอ็มร้อยเนี่ย
Now, this is a Thai style stove. It's what they want, it's what they're used to, it's what they got.
ใส่ผงชูรสว่าในห้างมันด้วย
Okay, we're just going to bring the coconut milk up to a little bit of a boil, and then she's going to add in the Panang curry. Now, I see this is two kinds of Panang here, a yellow silang.
พริกแกงใต้ซาบทราย
Oh,
มันจะได้เผ็ด
there's a south side curry, a red curry, Panang curry, a red curry, and a south side curry that's a lot spicier. So she's actually using two kinds of curry in this dish. Which you could just use the red curry paste if that's what you got, but if it's available, the spicier the better. But it is a red curry, but it's a Panang red curry, which is a little bit different flavor to it. Bring that to a boil.
บะปี้
Now in goes the pork.
พะแนงเป็นแห้งกินบันพะแนงมาผัดเพิ่นจะใส่พริกแกงหลาย มันละหืนที่มันบ่แซ่บขมนะขมเลย
Of course, it's sliced thin. Easier to chew, but it cooks a lot quicker when it's sliced thin like that. In goes more coconut milk. Gati.
กะทิ
Gati.
ทอทหารสระอี
Gati. Gati. Gati.
อุ้ยฟ้าใหม่แหละเสือพระธาตุ
บ่
สีดำแล้วก็มีดำโอ้ยทายงามอะไรเนี่ยมันมี
Bommy.
มีแต่ XL 2 XL
Put Excel side eye, side eye, side eye. My
เป็นไงล่ะบัดนี้
Pom lu sai cup. Sai me dai. Sorry, we were talking about the vendor this morning. I wanted to buy a new kind of style shirt that they had, but he only had extra large. I told him I need 2 extra large. He said, "Oh no, this will fit you fine." It's like, no, I know what my size is. But thank you. I'll come back another size.
เอาเกลือได้ก็เด้อได้กี่เด้อ
Alright.
เกลือ
Okay, in goes a little bit of salt.
มันจะไม่นัว
Of course, that's sea salt.
น้ำตาล
Little bit of sugar. Some sugar, some cane sugar. Some brown cane sugar.
เดี๋ยวจะแซ่บนะ
มาเอาแม่บาทอีกนี่
รู้สึกว่าจะอร่อยแล้ว
ดูทำงานเนี่ย
ให้สุกก่อน ให้หมูสุกก่อน
She wants to make sure that the pork is cooked first. We got to make sure it's cooked first before we add it. Always the vegetables go in towards the end in Thai dishes. So really all Asian dishes, so that you want to make sure they're crunchy, crispy, fresh.
เอาหวานนิดหนึ่งบ่
One it? No, I might tell one yet. We're going to actually use that whole container of milk before it's done. But why does she keep adding the milk, not just all at once?
ติดตามกันด้วยกัน
It's all about technique. You know, I would think, man, I'm just going to pour all the milk in at the same time. But I'm sure you're trying to get all the oils and stuff out of the curries. And I don't know, I'm just guessing. She wants me to taste. Chim.
เป็นยังไงเขาใส่กะทิตรงไหนเกลือเดียวมัน
บ่ได้มันต้องค่อยๆใช่มันจะ
หยอดได้
ไม่ได้
คะแนน
แน่นแบบค่อยๆหยอดจะได้อร่อยเทเลยไม่ได้
พูดแต่โฮยติ้งไม่อร่อย
Yeah, like I guess, she wants to make sure the oils come out of the curry. And if you put all the milk in at one time, she said it's not good. It won't taste right. It's a lot about technique, and that's basically what these videos are about, is the mafia technique. This looks hot.
ช่วยแกเรากิน
อร่อยดีแหละ
Aloy.
อร่อยอยู่บ่เศร้า
She's like, Aloy tukyang.
อร่อยทุกเที่ยว
It's always Aloy. I don't know what to say. It's always good. In goes the kapia lime leaves and the Thai chili peppers. Man, it looks beautiful. So white.
มะแขม
Man, so white.
เป็นอีกอื่น
Okay, tua pak yao
ฝักยาว
and makura.
เขือพวง
Makura puang.
เข้าหัวอย่างน่ะ
What'd you order? Is that for you or your dad? I already know it's not for her dad.
อาจารย์มันค่ะ
Paige always, she's like the Lazada queen. But every time she orders something, you know, you can pick the color, right? Blue, green, yellow. And when it gets here, it's whatever color they sent. So she bought some shoes, an extra pair for me. The biggest size they have is 9s, but they fit okay.
Yeah.
But they're all the same.
All the same.
They're all
This
the
is 9. This is 8. And this is 7.
They're all the same size.
Coming the same size.
I guess you just have to order one. I don't know how you're gonna do it.
Maybe, I don't know.
Luck of the draw.
And they don't sell it in Lotte.
They sell that brand in Lotus, but not that style. Almost every time these guys are here working on the thing, when you buy a new cable system here, they run all new wire. That's why there's so many wires. Always you're on a new wire. But a lot of times when they're adding an extra wire, I don't have any internet for like half the day till they come out and fix it. Oh, Thailand. I love Thailand. It's always an adventure. There goes the rest of the milk.
หมดเลยจ้ะ
She just said she just put all of the nam
เก็บเลย
kati
กะทิ
tik
ทิ
ทอทหารสระอีกอไก่
ไม่ไก่
ไม่ไก่
ไม่มีกอไก่ขึ้นก่อนกอไก่สระอะกะ
กะติ
ทิ
ทอทหาร
กะทิ
สระอีทิ
Okay, I don't know why I'm having a hard time saying it. Gati.
ตัวนี้มีเด็กจะขึ้นแล้ว
Oh, because it's a weird word. It's coconut milk. Coconut milk. Man,
อ่ะ
coconut milk.
อะไรมะพร้าว
Coconut milk. Gati.
กะทิ
ภาษาฝรั่งขึ้น
Coconut milk.
โคขนาดเดียว
Milk.
มิล
Milk time. She's gonna put a little bit of the liquid, not any more Panang, but the liquid from it to get it a little bit more rich flavor
เก็บพริกน้ำปลาให้แดงเอาน้ำมันใส่
and to make it look pretty. Actually, that's not a whole lot. I got some food coloring. พอแล้ว
พอแล้วสุกแล้ว
สุกแล้ว สุกแล้ว means it's finished, it's cooked.
นี่จะกินเลย
สุกแล้ว
สุกแล้วอร่อยแล้วอร่อย
And this is over rice lat cow.
ใส่กระโหระพาตัก
โอ้ยลืม
นะ
Okay, พะแนง
หมู
พะแนงหมูจานหนึ่ง
จ้ะ
one dish
อันเดียวจานเดียววันนี้มีอย่างเดียว
อร่อยมา
อก ร่อยมาก
อร่อยมาก
มีอย่างเดียววันนี้
Okay, now for my favorite part, eating. And we've got it's like a purple rice, huh? Is it a jasmine rice? I'm asking too many questions. Okay, let's get some of this.
สำเร็จสบาย
Aloe.
ไม่หลายแล้ว
มันก็อ้อเงินนี่มาแล้วนะ
Aloe cup.
จ่าย100 1 5
ก็ได้
Aloe mat.
ดีไหม
Well, that was good. I'm full now.อิ่มแล้ว Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's episode of No Time to Be Hungry in the Mafia Kitchen. The Panang curry is awesome. I hope you guys try it, and I hope you and I hope you subscribe to the channel. If you like today's video, please don't forget to click the like button, push the little subscribe hamburger down here on the bottom, and we'll see you guys on the next No Time to Be Hungry channel. Bye.